Ha kesngi sedang kedorbar mang tengka ke JHADC ini kesngi Madonbai rembai MDC ke Kongres na ambi klit terci detak ranyu yau Executive Committee hayato wakili teli kibit office ke JHADC wada ikti upalai de kibru semen de wakili le waha kawan kerukom upun mi poisa ya ke council kawan mat sakhian e kerdo pisa wei ile cha kibru semen wada wa em ki wakrek ke council ki wapalai ya keni ke chnat krek kam di wapanrap le waka district council mnyi kama wapalai dakahi UEM in charge forest department Wyrta senong tudu hawa jubab daongu wayakini ki bid office de iwai na do ke isi werim weni liang yong o de emu itmu wo bicar bnya yo chimkti pelai biang da ke council kama joman urikut pareng MDC ke kongres na sapai sa senyang de keliu wala da yeini ay de kut tendar ni pentipet ba nama mem lengba kilat patai kubor hai wa UEM de jubabu wa hao da pentipet ba haki arteli kilat patai kubor.
Number of bid office is already privatized by the council. We may say it's by the present executive committee privatized to the non-official.
Ia lagi itu orang yang present isi wakat terkait, wakat last isi boleh ini.
Also, for Mr. Mansar, when the last executive committee is privatized this free number of bid office, the same that the current executive committee also is accepted. That is with the present executive committee. Then how far they come, this kind of policy will generate the revenue to the council. The council till date just we are discussed before the honorable CM answer. We are under crisis. So this kind of policy, I think, is very dangerous for the future of the council. From this time onward, I urge the present executive committee to do by official duties. We have plenty of stuff, so why not? They cannot arrange to operate by its own. We have plenty of officials in this department. We cannot operate by its own office. That is the supplementary question. We have plenty of officials. We cannot operate by its own office. Not allowed to privatize this kind of big office in the jurisdiction of the council.
Rasa nakal di Kabupaten hal yang nakal ikan bisa harus dilakukan di Polres Tertib dan dari persamaan yang awal pemandul dan pelatihan yang di office buat privatisasi saat itu kan, kata yang nakal ikan info terjemut buat seni buat yang sedang itulah di pembantian yang akan
Masa Mansar, from my side, I'm okay. The honorable EM in charge of forest is clear decision. Then he assured will do very soon going by office and operate by the official office. Okay, thank you.